What's up, guys? Thank you for checking out the complete web developer course. This is the most complete course on the internet for web development. It will help you go from zero to not knowing really even how the internet works to learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL database. It is 100% project based. There is no boring theory here. We keep you engaged by teaching you concepts as we build real projects, so it sticks in your head way better. There's 65 sections, 444 lessons. That's big numbers, right? Do not let that fool you, because there's just a ton of lessons in here, because I purposely made most of my videos 5 minutes or less, because studies show, and I know from experience, that learning in small bite-sized chunks is much, much easier than learning from somebody who posts 30-minute tutorial videos, video after video. That's very draining. It's very hard to learn new material that way, especially something as difficult as web development, okay? Now, I want to stress to you that this isn't just a syntax course. Yes, I teach you the syntax, I teach you how to build stuff, but we also get into philosophy, how to actually make money with the skills, how to find a job. If you look here, I just made build your brand, and I introduce the idea and tell you how to start building your own brand as soon as you're done with HTML and CSS, so that you can start making your mark. Very important video. This advice, this one video alone, is worth the price of admission for the whole damn course. Trust me on that. We get through, you learn JavaScript, PHP. We build a full stack big application at the end of the course, a little content management system with full stack PHP. And then at the end, more gems. I drop gems, guys. How to make money. This is all just recently added. How to find a 9-to-5 job step by step. There's previews in the courses, guys. Look at the previews. Look at what you're buying, okay? I have course previews in multiple sections. Check it out. You can get free content that way. Make money freelancing. I've done that as well. We go over how to actually get paid. Again, this module alone is worth the $20 a month if you just want to even buy it for 1 month. Make money as an entrepreneur, the holy grail. What I'm doing now, I break down how I'm doing what I'm doing and how you can do things otherwise by just creating what I like to call a business system. So again, this isn't just a syntax course. You're going to learn a ton, okay? You're going to learn how to actually make money from these skills, because almost nobody still to this day who teaches these courses in this industry doesn't even cover that at all. They just teach you a bunch of syntax and kick you on your way. That doesn't help. You got to know how to actually use the skills, because learning the skills alone you're not going to get money rained down on you. I don't know. People still think that, and they still advertise this career that way. It's not how it works. You got to put the skills into action. So guys, just check it out. It's only $20 a month to get started. I recommend you just buy the whole thing. You get all future updates. This is a living, breathing course. Notice all these news that pop up. New. There's new stuff constantly being added. This is not going to be a static course, okay? Look at brand new full stack to-do app that I just added. Updates, new stuff constantly. All right, guys, check it out. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next videos on the YouTube channel.